Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in bulk. First, gather your equipment. You'll need a large pot, at least 4 inches deep, and plenty of eggs. Fill the pot with water, leaving enough room for the eggs. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar for every gallon of water. This helps the egg whites coagulate quickly. Finally, crack each egg into its own small bowl or ramekin. This preparation makes dropping them into the water much easier and prevents them from sticking together. Once your water is ready, bring it to a gentle simmer. You're looking for small bubbles, not a rolling boil, ideally around 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently slide up to 6 eggs into the water, one by one. Avoid dropping them from too high, which can break the yolk. Cook them for 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply extend the cooking time by another minute or 2. After poaching, use a slotted spoon to carefully remove each egg from the hot water. Immediately plunge them into an ice bath. This crucial step stops the cooking process, preventing them from becoming overcooked. Once completely cooled, transfer the eggs to an airtight container. Fill the container with fresh, cold water to keep them hydrated. You can store these perfectly poached eggs in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Just remember to change the water daily. When you're ready to enjoy your bulk-prepped poached eggs, reheating is simple. Gently place them into a bowl of hot, but not boiling, water for about 30 to 60 seconds. This warms them through without further cooking. Serve them immediately on your favorite avocado toast, atop a fresh salad, or as a protein boost in a grain bowl. They're perfect for quick, healthy meals throughout the week. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.